Merry Christmas everyone. Today I want to show my gifts which I received from Santa. Here is the first. This is the first one. Let's open it up.
फिर बड़ी हो गई।
First gift. Yay, this is a good pen. I love this to write because it's so smooth and it doesn't even hurt your fingers. There's a flare liquidity. Let's keep it aside and move on to the next one. This is the second one. Let's open it. This is another set of pen and this is a Disney one. Oh my god! I love this one. Like, see this over here. This is like the Spider-Man, Deadpool, Star Wars, Wolverine and Barbie. And this is a Lax Max. This one. This is also a good rollerball pen to write. It doesn't even hurt your hands. Let's keep it aside and move on to the next one. Let's move on to the stockings gift. Oh my god, that's an eraser. That's a domed one. It's a wheel. That's looking good. Let's see the next one. Oh, this is a Crispello chocolate. I love this to eat. Let's move on to the next one. This is Nuttles. This is 5-star. And this is the Pringles, which is rare to see in India. Next, move on to the next one. This is another one. Let's open it. Oh yes! This is a drawing book which I wanted. Oh my god, along with this pencil, shading pencil. It has all like HB, B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, 8B, 9B, 10B, H, 2H, 4H, 6H. You can see over here. This is so good. It's good for pencil sketching. This is a drawing book which I wanted like for 1 year. Let's keep it aside and move on to the next one. The final one is up here. This is the domes the big one, big brush pen. I have the small one, but this has all kinds of shading, like you can see over here. These are all the shadings. There are 24 brush pen, one metallic and one the one to mix it. So I want to thank Santa for giving me all the things which I wanted. and let's end the video over here. Thank you.